Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can restrict the ID on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, select the ID which you want to restrict. Then long press on it by tapping on it. Next, you can see the option of restrict. Tap on it. Next, tap on restrict, which is located at the bottom. So, this is how you can restrict the ID on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.